Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shik's Mangi. Today I want to show you how to make a chicken brown bread without using milk, more so while using your mini oven. If you have an oven, you can use it. If you have a mini oven, you can use it. So guys, stay tuned, like the video, watch till the end. And now let us get to our today's video. Before getting to our today's video, I want to prepare breakfast for the rest of the whole week from Monday. So today is on a Sunday. I'm unfreezing my pork chipolatas and the chicken brown. This is what I'm going to make. So guys, stay tuned. See, we have already unfreezing the. So I normally take two in a week. So let us prepare our weekly breakfast. Guys, if you want to survive with this beef and the other farmer's choice, the supermarket tutakamuliwa kabisa. So, see guys, these are the chipolatas. If you have tasted the pork, this one, pork chipolatas, comment down below. They are very sweet, very sweet. See, it's time to put them in the fire. Yes, it's time to make our pork chipolatas. This is how they look. Cook them under low heat. Guys, if you like these chicken chipolatas, comment down below. They are very sweet. So guys, it's time to remove our pork chipolatas. So we will stuff them here. Let us prepare our wet ingredients for chicken brown bread for the week. So remember, we are not using milk. The other video I showed you on how to use your pan making chicken brown bread without using oven. So today I want to show you how to use an oven, also not using your milk. So today we are going to use our water, not the milk now. So these are my measuring cups. We need warm water. We are putting the warm water here. This is our dry yeast. So guys, if you have not watched the other video, go watch it, because uta understand when you tunamaanisha kwa hii. So a warm water of 120 ml. So, this one. Guys, remember it should not be hot water, a warm water. I want to make food, so it will be 220 nafanya damu mingi, sugar the salt. Want to put a lot of salt, both the chicken brown and our salt. Dry yeast tunaweka, this is an active try list, venye sijeka kwa karatasi yenyewe nimeweka kwa hii. So tutaweka 3/4 tablespoon. That is, guys, if you have a measuring scale, today I want to show you everything that I normally prepare on Sundays for a whole week. I will also do a bread, so guys, stay tuned. Let us keep it aside. Your yeast ive vizuri.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, these are the ingredients that you'll need for us to make our chicken brown bread. So you remember our mixture, the water, the warm water, sugar and yeast, and salt. Our chicken brown is here, 2 cups of all-purpose flour and our melted butter. Guys, our chipolatas are here and they are ready. So already tushamaliza hiyo. Let us now get to our today's recipe. So guys, remember this one unaiacha for let's say 1 hour kwanza, if kama unaweza angalia kitu imefura, unaona. So wacha to mix our ingredients. Guys, like this video, like it.
2 hours later.
So guys, it's time to mix our ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, you remember our ingredients that we added here. See? You see our yeast is ready. See how it is. So it's time to add to our ingredients. Our dry ingredients. See guys. Mix slowly by slowly. Sure that imeshikana everything. It's time for us to add our melted butter, 2 tablespoons, but we will add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Remember, I did 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We are also making bread, so guys, stay tuned. So guys, if you're looking it very careful, you can see already ishaanza to form the bubbles, you see. So our dough, it is not that ready, so we will have to leave it for 1 hour or maybe half an hour. So see.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, you see, our dough is ready. So let us now use this wrap. Time. Guys, our dough is ready for our chicken brown. Guys, this is our mini oven. Let us now set it to 180 degrees. See? Then let us tuifanye ikuwe hot for 5 minutes. See? 5 minutes as we prepare our chicken brown bread. Avoid how to cut our nini, our chicken brown. So tutazikata hivyo half.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
It's time for us to
Things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but I wish time would fall. It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just wait till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
So guys, you see, repeat the process again.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age
Utapaka kauzika kama mafuta.
way back before we blew it all.
That unashika hivyo close. See? That. See? See guys, then tunaziadd hapa. See guys, then tunaziweka for 10 minutes hapo. Wait for them to kufula tu kidogo.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, this is how they look. So now we need to wait until for 30 minutes tena tuziweke kwa our oven. So guys, stay tuned. Like my today's video. Remember to like the video. So guys, this is ready after 30 minutes. So it's time to put them inside our mini oven. See how they have brought themselves. Like that. Our oven already imeheat for 5 minutes. So tutakuja hapa tuiweke for 25 minutes iko 180 degrees. See? Then tutaweka our chicken brown inside. See? Then tufunge. See guys, 180 degrees. See? Then hapa tumeweka 25 minutes. Tunaweza ongeza tuweke hata 30 minutes ndio ziive poa. So guys, stay tuned, like my today's video. So guys, our chicken brown are ready. Tunaona imezima. So see how they look. Nionyeshe vizuri. Guys, see, first round tushamalizia.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts me.
So guys, let us now put our second batch.
I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it.
As always, set it is at 180 degrees. We are setting it to 30 minutes. Guys, our last and final. Yes, this is how they look. Yes, yummy, yummy, yummy.